Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide out of stock products in Shopify. It's quite easy. Like if you look at my store, I have a couple of products and this product is actually out of stock but still visible on my store. And in order to hide this product, what you can do, just go to Shopify. Here you have the option products. So click on that, and right here you will see list of all of your products which are listed on the Shopify store. I have 3 products and this one is out of stock. In order to hide this from the store, just select the product like this. Like you just need to select all of those products which are out of stock. Once you select them, here you have the option set as draft. So just click on that and just click on set as draft. Now what will happen, they'll just change the status of your product to draft from active. So if the product is active, it means that the product gonna be visible to people. If it is on draft, it will be not visible to people. Like even if I just go to my store and refresh the page, you will see that the product is gone, and that's exactly how you can hide product. Now let's suppose if your product get in stock and you want to visible again to people. For that you just need to select the product again and just click on set as active, and then from your product will be visible to people again. But yeah, that's it. This is the most easiest and simple way to hide out of stock products in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.